what that noise was. That was my stomach, but whatever that scraping noise is, I don't know what that is. I just see a flash up there. Are you spirits making noises, or is that a bird? I don't know. Can you knock maybe on the wall instead? Knock a few times? If there's any intelligent spirits here at the moment, if you're physically capable of knocking, can you please do so? Tap there. Can you knock loud? There's a tap again. Is that a knock? That's not really a knock. What the hell is that? You make a louder noise? Tap again.